A tragic story of a foolish king.
He was not always foolish, but as he has gone older, he has become.
What?
Yeah,
Less wise, blind to the evil surrounding him. Indeed, but must get on. This is the one of Shakespeare's most complex stories.
King Lear. Forgive us if we leave some of the less important bits.
80 years old, the king had decided to hand over his throne, and outcome of this will affect us all.
Let the drama commence. The king has approached with his three daughters, son-in-law, another nobleman.
This is the king's eldest daughter, Gornia, with a wicked husband, Albany. She is cold, heartless, and cruel also.
And this is Regan, king's second daughter, with her husband, Cornwall.
Regan is selfish, manipulative, and matches her sisters in cruelty, and her husband, weak.
And this is Cordelia, king's youngest daughter. She is his favorite and his only daughter who truly loves him.
Of England. Now that I will divide my kingdom in three. Whichever of you say which love me most shall have a larger share. Gornel, our eldest born, speaks first.
So, I love you more than words can will the matter, dear than eyesight, space and liberty, no less than life, as much a child ever loved her father.
What should I say to this? Love? And be silent?
Bring the map. From this line to this, as you can see in the map, the shadowless forests and plenteous rivers, we make the lady. And now, what says our second daughter, Regan, the wife of Cornwall?
Thank you.
In my true heart, I find that my sister Gondwell's name's very deed of love, but she comes too short and professes to be enemy of all other except my father's love.
To the end thy husband, this generous is a 1/3 of the kingdom. Now, to our joy, the last but not the least, Cordelia, what you can say to draw third more opening than your sisters?
Unlike my sisters, I am sure that my love is stronger than my tongue. I shall not play this game. Nothing, my lord.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Nothing will come of nothing. Speak again.
Unhappy though I am, I cannot heave my heart into my mouth. I love your majesty according to my bond. No more, no less. Why have my sisters husbands if they say they only have love for you?
The truth, to be died or, here disclaim all my paternal care.
And beautiful will presently appear. The one is mostly here, the other found out that
Almost thought to sit on my reston on her kind nursery.
This is madness, sir. Do not banish the only daughter who truly loves you. I must speak true.
Come not between the dragon and his wrath.
Sir, be calm.
show some respect for King judgment. Albany, this will work well for us. With Cordelia gone, we may share the kingdom.
Your Majesty. Princess, take care of yourself.
Someday my prince will come. Someday we'll meet again, and away to his castle we'll go to be happy forever. I know. Someday when spring is here, we'll find our love anew, and the birds will sing and wedding bells will ring. Someday when my dreams come true. Someday my prince will come. Someday my Here are Burgundy and France. My lord, I seek your permission to let the true prince in, who wish to marry youngest daughter, Cordelia.
Everything is in vain now. She is standing with nothing. But bring them in and try his luck.
I am a Duke of Burgundy, and I have asked for the hands of dear sweet Cordelia for marriage.
I am the King of France, and I do wish to marry Cordelia.
You to marry my daughter Cordelia? Burgundy, what dowry you require?
Most loyal majesty, I wish no more than 1/3 of the kingdom, as did you offer before her price has fallen.
Here she stands with nothing. She is yours.
Then I am sorry, Cordelia. You lost a father and a husband too.
And you, France?
Yeah, thou so rich, he be poor. That oldest daughter king shall be my queen. With them fair Cordelia, what does here you shall find better with us.
You are most kind, sir.
Take her. We have no such daughter. Come, noble Burgundy.
Come, my queen, with the ability of sisters.
Her father, with washed eyes, Cordelia leaves you.
You know what you are, love fathers you committed, prescribed not as out of duty.
Let your study to be a content who had deceived you, at which you fought your arms.
Confect Cordelia.
When the king had divided the kingdom, he decided to spend his time with his of death of new followers with each daughter.
Men they come, men they go.
But I gone forever.
Men they come, men they go.
I gone forever.
Men they come.
How now, daughter? Why they frown?
As you are old, father, you should be wise. You are in my home. You keep by 100 knights and scarce. They are loud and disorderly, and have turned this palace into a tavern.
Sparrow fed the cooks along. It had its head bitten off lights young.
You speak too much, fool. Come, wife. Gondril, you should not have said yourself.
Huh? Is this my eldest daughter who speaks to me thus?
Yes, you must get rid of all these followers if you are just stay in my house.
Prepare my horses. I am ashamed to let you see these hot airs, bloods and fog upon the such. I have another daughter who will stretch your ungrateful eyes out when she hear how you mistreated me.
What should happen now?
I must warn my sister Regan.
Gonia sent a servant to Regan to warn her of her father's imminent visit. Therefore, she also went there.
Hike, he accompany arrived. How should I receive him?
Caution, misters, your sister must speak true.
Good morals to you both.
Hail to your grace.
So soon, your highness.
Oh, Regan, your sister is nothing to me. Now I can castly speak to you, oh friend, kindness.
Father, I paid to no beg. Return to my sister.
Ask her forgiveness? I confess that, but I am old. But I do beg on my bended knees to promise me and mine bed and food.
Is this Althu you will speak of me to?
My lord, calm yourself. Listen to your daughter.
Never, Regan, never.
Good sir, I pay to no beg. Return to my sister. Then if you have a mind to say, I must be insist that you will come with handful of followers.
Send your blending flame into as goneful eyes. Regan, for your tender, you know the bond of childhood. Do not forget.
Father, have you found my sister more accommodating? Is it true that she does not wish to entertain your followers?
Peter, what do we need of 25 servants?
Why 25? Why not 10?
10, why do we need of 1?
You see me here, you god? a poor old man, as full grief of age. Is it you that Estelle, these daughters' hearts against their father? My heart shall break into thousand hundred floors. I must take revenge upon you both. Oh, I weep. Oh, I fool. I should go mad now.
Wake up, my majesty.
She used to rule that girl that wears every rose. Now in the storm he weeps alone, mourning the love his precious one. Thought it would be wise to give away the kingdom to the lies, ignoring these dreams and shout. Cause his daughter went and kicked him out, kicked him out.
Oh no, my king had been deserted.
The end of this tragic tale is full of death, but we add some positivity in this drama.
So the king of France is on his way to invade inland and find the king in the middle of his way.
So, father,
Delia, please forgive me. I am old and foolish.
no, father, not at all.
Pardon, Cordelia, pardon. I hope you will not leave your foolish father alone now.
No, father, I love you, and I still love you as my father.
Don't worry, father. Regan and Control will have to pay for what they have done to you. Restore your blessing upon me. And I promise your carpets will be slain in a command. See you soon, father. Father is show defense to will punish, waiting for a command.
No, I can't do this.
Okay, if my father is unable to do this, I would like to have this opportunity. Soldiers, take them and hang them to death.
Mercy, my kind sweet girl, mercy. After all, they all are your sisters and my daughter too. How I can see them die?
I can't believe my ears, and surely you too, my lovely sisters. My father, he is a man like no other. He gave you life, nurtured you, taught you, fought for you, and you troubled him to the fullest. You had no pity on him. A shame, a big shame.
Yes, we don't deserve to live, but
truly regretting for what do we have done.
See, all my little hearts, the life is the greatest lesson.
You will only know their value when they see him teacher.
Important. Love your parents unconditionally. Thank you.